Hello there, Kate here. Today I will show you how to crochet a lovely lacy stitch that I used in my Magnolia lace shawl pattern. This tutorial will help you understand how the stitch is done in a simple row by row pattern. This way you can use it in your own projects. If you are interested in the shawl pattern or a written pattern for this stitch, you will find all the links in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also click the bell button to get a notification whenever I post a new video. For this tutorial I chose a woolen Filcolana Peruvian Highland yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. However, you can use any type of yarn with a corresponding hook. Start by chaining a multiple of 6. In my case, it's 24. This is your foundation chain. Next we need a turning chain, so chain 3. Our first stitch will be a double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook in the 6th chain stitch counting from the hook. And make 1 double crochet . Now chain 3 again. And make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now yarn over, skip 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet in the 3rd stitch, yarn over again, skip 2 stitches again, and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now skip 2 stitches again and repeat the sequence. Skip 2 stitches, 1 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, then make 1 double crochet, 3 chains and 1 double crochet all in 1 stitch. Continue until you reach the last 3 stitches. I will meet you there. Alright, here I've got my last 3 stitches. Let's yarn over, skip 2 of them, and make 1 double crochet in the last stitch of the row. Great! Chain 3 and turn the work. It's a turning chain again. Now we're going to work in the big chain spaces. Yarn over and work 4 double crochets there. Great! Now we're going to make 1 double crochet in this vertical double crochet from the previous row. We want these 2 stitches to stack and create 1 long vertical line. Let's repeat. 4 double crochets in the chain space, 1 double crochet in the double crochet from the previous row. Continue and I will meet you at the end of the row. Great! Now your last double crochet should be worked in the top of the turning chain. Find the 3rd stitch and insert the hook carefully. It may be tricky, but it will make the edge of our swatch symmetrical. To start row 3, chain 4 and turn the work. Now yarn over and place 1 double crochet in the space between the edge stitch and the cluster. Now let's find the place between the 2nd and the 3rd double crochet of the cluster, right in the middle. That's where we have to make 1 double crochet. Now we're aiming for the single double crochet between the clusters. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet there. Then chain 3 and work 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. This is the base for our cluster. One double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet. Repeat it until you reach the last chain space. I will meet you there. Alright, here's my last chain space and we have to create a half shell shape again. Make 1 double crochet there. One chain stitch. And 1 double crochet in the top of the turning chain. Fantastic! Let's make row 4. Chain 3 and turn the work. In this row, we are going to work in the chain spaces again. Yarn over and make 2 double crochets in the nearest chain space. Now make 1 double crochet in this vertical double crochet from the previous row. Again, we want to create this long vertical line. Now aim for the big chain space and work 4 double crochets there. When you're done, look for the solitary double crochet again and make another one on top of it. This is your repeat. 4 double crochets into the chain space, 1 double crochet in the double crochet of the previous row. Repeat until you reach the last chain space. I will meet you there. Okay, here is my last chain space. Yarn over and work 2 double crochet stitches there. Now, to be super neat, place the last stitch in the top stitch of the turning chain. Fantastic! Row 5 is the last row I will show you in this tutorial. To start, chain 3 and turn the work. Yarn over and aim for the solitary double crochet. Make 1 double crochet there. Now chain 3. And another double crochet in the same stitch. At this point you probably know what comes next. Yes, the solo double crochet. Let's find the middle of the cluster, right between the second and the third double crochet, and place it there. Next, repeat 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, all in the solo double crochet in the previous row. Then 1 double crochet in the middle of the cluster. Repeat this sequence until you reach the end of the row. Your last stitch is 1 double crochet worked in the top of the turning chain. To continue with this pattern, repeat rows 2 to 5. You will find written instructions on my website. The link is in the description box below. As I mentioned, this stitch is the part of my Magnolia lace shawl pattern, linked below as well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, leave a comment below. Thanks and have a creative day.